Good day, viewers. Welcome to Various Cakes Abuja. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a contemporary buttercream design. First of all, I am starting with covering the cake. I've already crumb coated and now applying the first stage of the buttercream. Apply to cover the entire body of the cake, and after covering the entire body, you get your scraper, at least two of your scraper, you get your palette knife, you get your tray or any bowl or any flat plate that will be able to contain your scraper. Now boil hot water. So you can see what I have here. I have my palette knife and I have my two scraper, and they are all placed into a tray. Then I have my boiled water and I'm going to be pouring in now. This will help me to achieve the smoothness very fast. Starting from the top part of the cake, use your palette knife, the hot palette knife, and spread smoothly. As you do this, always make sure you scrape out the excess from the palette knife. If you don't do it that way, it will continue to dent the part you have already smoothened. So ensure to always clean up your palette knife before you go again. Now that is it for the upper part of the cake. Now we go over to the side, and with our hot scraper again, go around the cake until you achieve a very smooth look. As you do this, you will be noticing some holes. These holes is due to the fact that when you are applying your buttercreams, they were not completely covered. So what you need to do, you collect the one from the scraper and continue to fill up. As you fill up, you go round. As you fill up, you go round. This is what you're going to be doing until you achieve a complete, straight and smooth looking buttercream. Next, refrigerate it for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, you start applying your ribbon. To apply the ribbon, hold down the edge with a pin before you start going round. This time you are not going to keep the ribbon straight, you must keep it in a slanty way, in a slanty form, so that it will give you a balanced ribbon as you're going round. Now it all depends on how many rounds you want to go to. Here I'm able to go complete round of 3. You can go 4, you can go 5, you can go 6, but it all depends on how long your cake is. Now you can try measuring before going round. You can say I just did this one freehand. Even when I finished it, it wasn't as curvy as I want. It wasn't in a slanty way the way I want it. But that was because I did not measure before I go around. You can use a ruler and give marks where you want the ribbon to stay, okay? And it will help these spaces to give you an even space. So, and after the ribbon now, pin down the last part of it also, probably with buttercream, and then begin to cover again with, this time, a lighter version of your purple, which is normally called mauve. Remember to do exactly the same thing you did when you were covering the first one. As you fill up, you go again, you go round again. This time, the difference is that I did not start from the up. I did not cover the up, as I want the inside color to be the one that will be showing on top of the cake. So the same way as I'm filling up, I'm going round until I'm able to achieve it. And after going round and filling up, the next thing I'm going to do is to send it back to the fridge again for 15 minutes. Before sending it to the fridge, remember to first of all scrape out the excess at the top, but with your palette knife, gradually doing it until you have a smooth, sharp edge. Also, make sure your ribbon is visible at the top to enable you pull very well, at least to see where you will be holding in order to pull. Now, after this, you go straight to the fridge and refrigerate it for 15 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes, we are now going to pull out our ribbons. Now, gradually do this. If you mistakenly allow the ribbon, the body to touch the cake, it may destroy the smooth part of the cake, okay? So just make sure you gradually remove it. You can see what it's looking like. So the next thing we are going to do now is to design the cake. At this point, the design is in your hand. Anything you decide to do, like I said in my former videos, that abstract designs is now allowed in cake. Anything you decide to do now is going to be unique on that cake. All right? Please, if today is your first time of watching us on this video, please subscribe so that you'll be getting all our videos whenever we send one. And also give me a thumb up if at the end of this video you really love what you watched. You can now see the end result of the cake, how beautiful it's now looking. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. Bye for now.